Hello there, my name is Marci, and in this video I am going to show you, along with my son Nicholas, who's crafting right by my side, how we made this kind of easy but fun and playful wall art. We also want to use this to make covers for some journals we're working on, but I thought it was fun to share how we experimented with a bunch of techniques we've been doing to make pattern papers. And this is really fun if you want to play with your kids, or just one day that's raining out there and you just want to do something crafty. This is pretty cheap because it's just instant coffee and some stuff you have laying around your house, like salt and maybe a brush or some water and some leftover mosquito net we had. So anyways, we got creative, and this is pretty much our process. You're gonna see that I'm gonna show you a little bit of his work and what he was doing and how he was trying to do it. And it was pretty cool to, be able to craft with him since this whole pandemic thing is going on. It's been hard on all of us to stay at home, and just, by getting crafty and playing, we kind of forgot that we just couldn't go out, because I don't know how it is where you live, but here in Madrid things are very strict. We can only go out certain times a day for only 1 hour, and it's been pretty hard on them, especially because as adults you learn how to deal with this stuff or try to manage it as best as you can, but they don't understand. So this was fun to do with him, and you're gonna see his hands peeking when we do some watercolors later. We wanted to play with that new set, so you can see his little brush going in, doing some stuff, but pretty much he was trying to do what I was doing. His little leaf is blue, and to be honest, I struggled so much with the corner that I love his better than mine. There he is doing the little splatters, and it was really fun. I encourage you to art something, like to play with art with your sons or daughters or granddaughters or grandbabies. It's pretty fun. They feel special, and it's a moment to remember, and you have the artwork to remember, so we're definitely hanging this up. But here we're just adding some these are metallic watercolors we had, and it was pretty fun. So anyways, I'm just gonna stop talking and remind you that you can see more of my everyday art projects and daily life over on my Instagram at MixItUpMarci, in case you want to go check it out. But this is it, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna leave you to it. Goodbye, have an amazing day. Bye bye.